How to leave club in merge mayor. So all you have to do is enter your club like so, and then you should be able to see a team button in the top left corner. So once you find that, just go ahead and enter that. You'll be able to see your members and whatnot. But you can see a little symbol over here in the top left, which should be a little door, a red door, a white door, but something red around it. It's a circle and then an arrow. That is the leave button from the club. So all you have to do is press on that leave button and you should be able to leave your club or that specific club in Merge Mayor. If you want to join that club, just go ahead and search for that again. And if you want to create a club after that, of course, the create option is always available, but you do need 200 coinsies for that. But that's pretty much how you leave your club in Merge Mayor. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.